Okay, it's Building with Papa. I'm in Tampa. I'm excited, getting ready to install the Valance, and so here we go. Okay, we've got the Valance here, and we're going to be installing it over this window. Okay, we've installed it, and I caulked everything last night. I let the caulk dry. As you can see, it's a little bit more gray than the white that we used, and so I'm giving it a second caulk, and then we'll let it dry, and then at that point we're going to paint the caulk line, okay, to match the Valance, so it'll all blend in. When you're caulking, get your tip right up in, make sure it's in the spot. Pull either slow or fast depending on how big the gap is. Faster if it's smaller, slower if it's bigger. Okay, just get it in there. Click the back of your trigger so you don't leak out. Use your finger as a guide. Okay, you'll have a little extra on there, so if you get an area, you can go back over it. Okay, now also have a wet paper towel or a wet rag. So you take off the excess, be very gentle with it so you get it off your trim, and then your caulk is just right in the gap. Okay, you'll have a little bit on your paper, and that's okay, but you moisten it and get all that caulk off of the ceiling, wall, or trim, whatever you're caulking. All right, it looks good. I didn't have everything set up when we were putting it up, so I just wanted to tell you a few things. What we first did was took center of the window, marked it, and then we took center of the Valance and marked it. Then we took the Valance and we put it all the way to the ceiling where we were going to mount it, and we took a pencil and we marked a line inside where we were going to put the brackets. Then we took it down, we installed the brackets. We put one in the center, one about 3-4 inches off the end, same on the other side. We Tapconned them to the wall because it's a block wall here. So even though the Valance isn't real heavy, it's heavy enough. And then we put in the rod going across, and once I get the painting done, okay. And there's the Valance with the drapes all on. Okay, Valance is finished, drapes are hung, and now the nursery is almost complete, waiting the arrival of little Sawyer. Don't forget to subscribe and give a comment. I would enjoy reading your comments. It will help me to put more things up if you're interested. And this is Building with Papa. See you on the next one.